Ma Cecil, how are you?
Bad man.
What happened to you? Every time you come, you're bad.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, man.
What, where you say your man to? Who, your sister? When? Will be very long time? Oh boy. Also, what you say about her?
I dream like you that come to me.
Oh, your dreams here? Before we call you?
Yeah. Our Milu is a nurse.
Oh, one nurse gonna check you?
Oh, we pass her out this one.
I go.
Yeah, not blue.
Yeah. Oh, no hunger me some man.
We hungry your bad, not true?
This is money I'm talking.
Oh, I know me.
How you say I'm now?
You say, that's how the place, did mash up, you know. I found the mash up now. Me the things they wanna check me back.
Which place did mash up?
Yeah, so we house will push me show you it.
Oh, so you think we don't check your back? So we are who?
You know him. Good Lord God.
Oh, what happened?
You say, no, you were but I don't fit me too.
You think we are labor? Oh, I know. No, we did come check you and give you groceries. 2 times we come already. You know, remember?
And you come from up to Manchester way?
No, son, no, we come from Manchester way.
Oh, I don't know so. For all my Monday, you call it, we hear say at this money I build up film house down there so. But film bad, you know man, film bad.
The house, so?
Crack.
So who you did?
For if me can show you this room, this something say, the man that come assist me.
Oh.
You understand me?
Which man? Some labor right persons? I know him, I know we. We did only bring food to you, but we never talk about no house.
Alright, and in take up the thing here. I'm in name. Me picture.
Who do that?
You
Who take up it?
And he got quite a foreign. Our girl over there know somebody must see it on phone come up.
Oh.
And they must say, me. And that after babe, me don't know if you know him.
Babe sister.
Babe sister. And he see it, there's no. And he must say, Lord, them babe, all of it, must is friend and nothing, man. And he come there, you know, can credit little something, man. And further on now, him we send down the money.
To pay for it.
Yeah.
Oh, but you mix me up though, man.
No, but you see, the other one them then, right? Them say, them are labor right. Better is if I'm born. Me a run for labor. And no one could help. For if you look on the house back round there, so that the back room, nobody can live in there.
Yeah.
For round there, it mash up then. One part that's the room again crack. Again. So, the thing say man, the man that come he will say, build up one room here so for me then. You understand me?
Oh, okay.
The thing that come build up one room here so for me. For see one of my boy there, him carry, I sit in the work, he do electrician work. And electrician work when do they know? So him take up woman. Him pussy get about 3. That you have up picking with. So, from him left here, he not turn back all now.
Oh, okay.
And me have one little brown one, him no look at me. If he come here, come whap yard for me. And when me take a stack, me check out, me lay down pass, you know, and check out, so me see car come and tap this up. And when in tap, me see one piece of lady coming up, see me, you know. Big and fat, you know, I look nice. And me check out, he say, Daddy, what happened to you, man? And me say, Miss, boy, what pain me I feel, me can't tell you. For in my bottom, man, come right down. He said, Lord Jesus, I know you want to feel this all about foreign country, all about people that have a pain.
Yeah.
And he said, all right, Daddy, all right. You know, and my son know what me is if you come up here for me, my son. He no talk hard for the woman here. He touch me so and said, Daddy, look on his finger. If you not see 2 rings on his finger. That time now, you know, I'm married. The girl and him go married, you know. And they never tell me plain.
Oh, okay.
And the woman come back now and say, all right, sir, they will come down back August. And when me take a stock, me there. For two small phone, they mash up, you know, we don't have no use for phone.
Yeah.
We don't have no big one. And me the right not going right, this I work on one brother pass. So, and he said, Lord God Almighty, man, you there, so man, and I walk along same way, so man. He said, when me fit do man, I not walk on big man, I have to rob our thief. Me have to take them gun. He said, you turn the attack. Married to the woman, and the woman gone foreign with him.
Okay.
But I don't in a man to go be the woman did come from too. And threw him down there. For every Sunday him come here, you know.
Okay.
And from him left and goodest to know. Me no hear nothing from him for my phone. And this small phone, none of the big phone that me have.
Okay.
Right.
You have the banger phone.
The little teeny one that me have.
Oh, okay.
And you have to say they mash up on me now. If me put on credit, I go on neither.
Oh, because those phones stop working now.
Yes, then cut off. Then cut it off. Then cut it off.
Yeah. So we bring you some groceries.
Thank you. No?
So me know you don't like rice. You want rice today?
So me no say love me to that neither, you know.
Because the last time they say no eat rice, so we have to take that back. So you want it today though?
Yes, you can put on one for further on use it for me.
Alright, so you take this.
We no have no yam.
We don't have no yam.
Yam ready yet. We don't have no yam ready yet.
Okay.
So me think you could have set up a way that you could have set up one plan me to build up one room. For you might have believe that you make me show you. Me show you. If you're not so busy, come.
Okay.
I don't take that long video, you could just come and show you, man. We have walk, this walk is on go right on, so I show you how it is.
Okay.
Maybe me say if you walk, you say you have to say this is too high.
Oh, okay.
Just come and show you, for you might have believe that you make, man.
Alright.
Kitchen, mash up. For me, picking you know, the body how the girl picking it, them want me down there. Me no want them shoot me, kill me. Keep on. A straight place me up here. See all this place as you know. Alright, watch yourself. You see the bus and see this room you know. See there. No, nothing can go in this room you know, for picking it in the day and all of them come out and go and find mash up.
So a doorway that? A doorway that?
Doorway?
I want doorway?
Yeah man, then a room man.
Oh.
Come let me show you man.
So it's a doorway Likkle some Cecil. Yes, a Likkle.
Maybe it's on the
You got to say a picnic they live in there, so you don't want a big doorway.
So come let me show you man. See, it a mash up. For round your son now again. Yeah. It's a man, like eating a bad man, he can't walk. See all your son now? Mash up to you know. Look. Look you now. Look this. See mash up and look on the zinc top there. Every zinc turn bad up there. And see as how this a crack comes so now. See there? Bossy boss. Good. And see the door you know again. The door you know again. And in the middle. And look all of this, see crack so now. Again and crack yourself.
So the back part of the house cracking off at the front.
So
on both sides.
I have to get the Michael zinc you know. Put yourself. For all the door get him leak out too. For the breeze, you can stand with them blowing in July, they know.
Yeah.
I lick you out.
Oh.
But, let's see. Nothing can do it. Me say, me nothing can do it.
Oh, you want now?
Never tell him, say, can't go so pick two.
It's alright, man. Me alright.
Make it,
Man, make it.
Careful. That coconut tree up there.
If you chop down your tree, no man, Cecil. Me tell you, say, if you chop down your tree.
You can take over your someone.
Oh, this stick hold up this thing. Oh.
At this time, we didn't pass in July, there, you know. So I hit.
Oh, so is a door here, so but the water going in through the door?
Sometimes, yes.
Also, you back it off with the zinc.
So, yes or no, the boy did say, him, if he live, I come put on 1 2 room, yes, so.
Oh, okay.
But he neither come or not at all.
Okay. So maybe I have to try get in touch with him somewhere and see, hear what he says.
They don't pick up nothing. But they don't pick up nothing. For I know the labor right then, so they might carry zinc and give me already. And if you look on the house, that they say, no, how is it then get bad?
Yes.
I'll know. They not coming with one sheet.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
My Cecil take out that. How much time you tell us say you have to stop do that?
You know, say, true as I me one there, and me no picking you again no. Yeah, old man.
What you saying?
Oh, no, one picking me getting,
Yeah.
and no, 2 picking me getting.
Yeah.
Big man, big woman. For me first girl, for him, he have 3, 4 boy picking with a police. Yeah. 3 of them there town and 1 down in a Mantico Bay there.
Yeah.
So then they want me now, if come there. Hear me now, me feel the fire now, good on there. And sit down and little more man, this come up and see me and shot me. Me say, no sir, me rather stage part me live when me dead. Me rather dead with part me dead then. So, neither one of them say me if it come, they can take care of me. Me just say, alright. Me alright.
So what you say about the cigarette, because you were saying something about it, let me tell you, say.
No, a cigarette, no. Me couldn't tell when. Me couldn't tell how much year now, me no put one in my mouth. I just this.
So that's what?
It tobacco.
Oh.
For me, she can go to hospital half a month. And the doctor asked me how much big head me I use.
So what the doctor call big head?
So it big head now went about the cigarette.
Oh.
Ganja.
Ganja too.
Oh. Oh, ganja big head. Okay, okay.
Fanny then tell me that. Me not couldn't tell again when me bunny.
Oh, the big head. So you still burn big head?
Yeah, man.
Oh, and you stop and do tobacco now?
So, when me want to know the marijuana, now me that want.
Why?
If me I get here now.
But I stop if you stop, my Cecil, kind of good feel.
In marijuana, they know. Like how me I feel enough pain and all them way there. And you get the marijuana and the jack in the bush. And boil them together.
Oh.
And you boil it together and drink it.
Okay.
It take time.
Oh, so, okay, me understand. You say that want it to boil it?
Yes, and drink.
Okay.
But you don't hardly can find none again about it. No, sir.
So what the tobacco do?
The tobacco? Well, the tobacco now like how me there. Sometimes me want. Me just make one cigar.
Oh, so if somebody did there with you, you wouldn't bother with it? Oh, okay.
For enough woman, you know. Enough woman and girl. I tell me say I mean, you know. Me not have a woman, you know. And one woman I tell me say no one girl. So me I tell them say, the woman when me want, me can't find him. Me say, is the true-hearted lover me want. For if me love you, me can't hurt you, me can't chat you, me can't pass remarks, me can't do you nothing at all. Right? I just love when the time plenty, we must alright. And when the time is plentiful, we must alright.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So by that, me just easy myself.
Yeah.
And when they matter about church, me know, me take me here and see already, you know. For up in Manchester, there so one person did a preach up there until one woman come now and then put him over and I preach. And one 16-year-old girl, you know, come in and tell the person saying that like baptized. I know one run up and down, you know. And then love little girl, love little girl, love little girl. And from then love him. The woman we are preach. Yes. And when Father look upon him and see him, when Father look upon him and see him, Father put him down upon his back. And when him put him down upon his back, he say, and him dead too.
Oh.
So the most people them now draw from the church.
Okay.
So
and you too, can you not go back?
If they belong Satan, that time the church when me usually go and lay the name of our support and and he didn't do that thing they already too. So by that, me no go. And don't at this church, Lord God. And I want somebody they did go in there do whole heap of wickedness.
Alright, so how you on the pain now? You feel better?
I was I not feel so better. For, you see, him when the nurse come on and I show him them here. And them here, something where you have, they then give you for rub pain. So if it is pain. And
yes.
All when you rub it,
you know, you not help.
You feel the same pain same way. You go up there and give you tablet. All when you take a tablet, it a mash you up same way too. For me go a doctor already now, private doctor. And the private doctor say, the tablet them where we are get, it don't have no use to me. Fight a kill out enough people too.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So the nurse who came, what, she brought you your medication?
Until me say no, every month we should come
for
medication.
Yeah.
And every month me a go there. And the soon tap off of it.
So you tell her?
So, me tell him say, they didn't give me appointment to come back 18. That a Friday I come.
Yes.
18 of this month now, so me go back. So he said when he come, he will give me still he will give me appointment.
Okay.
For him come for in a place there. Put a nurse.
Okay, okay. Wow. Alright, man, Cecil, we're gonna leave you now.
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you, man.
So take care until we see you again. And remember next time when we come, we don't come from the place where you always say. You remember next time?
So we only know try.
Yes. So you did go like you don't remember so.
You know say all our human round so. Say uno can man can line up house, you know, and the house here, you know. And he must say round this so had too much bush. And he did a line up house if you want brother round so too. That's how me talk, you know.
No, we should talk about. Okay.
Say no.
Yeah.
But Elaine say, this man I know, he live down a place so. But me tell him say, me remember them for when we are boy coming up here, then young. So then come up and turn big man now. So me no remember them for me no hardly see them still.
Okay, okay.
But I'll Cecil Shaw, the man there. A 2 years, you know. Cecil Shaw usually drive bus gone, so you know. And they put on main road, you know.
Yes.
Yes. And if road then cut with the main road, so too. And I saw all taxi. They come through.
What you say?
Yes, man.
Yeah. But the road get bad now, so them can't come through anymore.
The road so get bad.
Alright, we're going to leave you now. You hear? We'll come check you one next time.
Yeah, man, no take care of myself.
Alright, alright.
I don't know why Mrs. For. No 5 people, they may know wicked and cruel.
Alright.
If we could have set up a way that if they come in, come give help me. We just want to make room or something like glad.
Okay, okay.
Maybe me can't design any theater for me too. But if you make up one, you get one on decky. And from your decky, you better off.
Okay, okay.
For my son again, him say, me tell him, man, look how much tree I grew up here. And he must say, Daddy, you know, if you kill fruit tree, you know. For you know, say, tree, when breeze are blowing, you know, tree help you, you know.
Yeah.
So, you know, bother him to kill them.
Okay, all right, guys.
Mostly about 4.
This is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. All right, my Cecil.
So this
That have, do you go take this? All right. All right, so take care of yourself, and you have to remember if you take up the grocery and you have bread in there, you hear? Yes, man, you're welcome. So I hear say you walk, go?
Yeah.
I hear say you walk?
Yeah, you can't step up so.
Oh, be careful.
Step up so.
Hold on.
This up.
Okay.
Me come up.
All right. All right, take it easy until we see you again, you hear?
God bless you.
All right, all right.